Tired of the endless struggle with Facebook ads? It's time to ditch the complexity and discover a simpler way to drive traffic and sales. Let's face it, for many marketers, running Facebook ads has become an absolute headache. You're constantly fighting the algorithm, dealing with random bans, battling pixel glitches, and watching your costs climb higher and higher. You need a reliable alternative that allows you to focus on your offer, not on troubleshooting an ad platform. Get ready for a simpler, more direct approach. Introducing the Solo Ad solution. Solo ads are incredibly simple. You just buy clicks from an existing email list owner and send that traffic directly to your offer. No complex ad account management needed. The core benefit? You completely skip all the social media platform drama. No more random bans or algorithmic shifts dictating your success. Let's break down the simple 3-step process of Solo Ads. First, you purchase a specific number of clicks from an email list owner whose audience matches your ideal prospect. Next, the email list owner sends an email that directs those purchased clicks straight to your landing page or offer. Finally, you track your results. Since the traffic is direct, measuring your return on investment is straightforward and transparent. Why are Solo Ads becoming the preferred method for savvy affiliate and digital marketers? You get a reliable traffic flow and predictable costs. No more unexpected ad account spending spikes or budget surprises. This method lets you focus 100% on optimizing your offer and closing sales, rather than constantly troubleshooting ad campaigns. If you're tired of fighting the algorithms and want a direct, trackable, and reliable traffic source, Solo Ads are your answer. It's time to sell smarter, not harder. Choose simplicity, predictability, and trackable ROI. Ready to get started with Solo Ads? Check out the link in the description to learn more about this powerful marketing solution.